How to use WordPress Gutenberg default button in WordPress panel. So click on pages to click on add new page. So from your new page, you can either click on plus button to see all of your Gutenberg blocks here, and if you also see that in your editor a plus button, you can click on add block and search here. So let's search here. That this is the default button of your WordPress Gutenberg. So click on this button, and this button you can just stylize this button. Okay, so let's make it a subscribe button. Okay, subscribe. Let's say this is a subscribe button, and we will just style it. This is the click on style. Okay, and I will click on this text button, and the text color I want to use like white, and then background color I want to use this, and click on the sizes. I want the size of L. L is the padding dimension, so this padding is right on small, and the margin from this, okay, this is the perfect. And then we need to border 1 pixel or 3 pixel. Okay, border radius, so just click on border radius and just border radius to 10, and then click on this outline button. You can outline these will create your border out of this button, or if you can feel this button is in this border is inside the button. Okay, so this is how you stylize a button, and you can click on attribute. Then these are the attributes you can track, and if you click on, you can use anchor text or something. Okay, just click on this button. You can see that these will justify to left and then right and then center, space between items if you have two items, if you have two buttons, then if and after that you will click the space between this button will from the left and the other button is in the right, and they will click on space. So if I click on duplicate and then this button, okay, and click on space between, they will see that space between will works in that way. So I clicked Ctrl Z, and now if I want to use a link, then click on this link, and I can show that if the button link will go. Let's say I want to go after any of this product. Okay, let's say this is a product URL, and if someone is click on the subscribe button, he will be redirected to these product pages. Just assume that. Okay, click on subscribe page and then hit publish. This is the default WordPress Gutenberg, so you can style only this much. This is how your subscribe button look like, and if you click on this subscribe button, it will redirect to you a new uh, URL that you defined in your pages already. So I defined the product link, and this will redirect to me to the product page.